Namaste. In this video we are going to discuss about an important mudra for you. This mudra is called Shakti Mudra. Now Shakti is the eternal energy that exists in the entire universe, that manifests in the form of universe. So this energy is a counterpart of the main source of the universe, which is Shiva. Shiva and Shakti comprise of entire universe. So that's the main corollary behind this particular mudra. So the benefits of this mudra is that it brings cool down into your pelvic region. So if you are feeling too warmed up, if you're a guy, if you're feeling too much testosterone, adrenaline in your body, this will help cool down. This will also help you overcome the problem of too much sexual energy in the body. If you are a woman, if you are going through menstrual cycle, if you're feeling pain of any kind during those menstrual cycle, this mudra will help you overcome that. This mudra can also help alleviate any kind of intestinal spasm that one might have due to any condition. So doing this mudra is essential if you are having any of these conditions. So to do Shakti Mudra, you basically take your thumb and clasp your index finger and the middle finger across it. So gently clasp it across, gently hold your thumb in between your index finger and middle finger. Then you need to join your ring finger and little finger together. Now join both your all your fingers together which have been clasped by your thumb, and place it near your groin region and practice it for 20 to 30 minutes. Some other benefits of this particular mudra is that it activates your Manipur chakra, also Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana chakra is the main root for this mudra. So if you are feeling guilt of any kind, you can definitely do this particular mudra because it will help you overcome that particular guilt. So that's mainly the gist of Shakti Mudra. You must practice this 15 to 20 minutes based on your condition. You must practice this at least 15 days to see the results of your effort. If you are having a specific condition, then you must contact a yoga professional, or you can directly reach out to me for best guidance. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.